Do you find yourself scattered with competing priorities, not sure what action step you should take next, and that creates a feeling of overwhelm and maybe busyness? But sometimes what that creates within us is we have so much to do, we don't know where to start, so we do nothing. Today is all about putting structures around you so you can get focused and get results. And I have a very special free masterclass coming up, so make sure you get registered for that. Just like water, when we take water and we put it through a proper structure, we can create electricity. When we harness the power of the sun through a proper structure, we can also create electricity. It's so important to put structures around our own energy so we can harness that energy in service of those goals that are most important to you. Mindset is so important, but so is strategy and action. We require both of those in order to create results. And so get focused, get results. Get focused means get very, very clear on your goals. What's important to you? What's very, very important to you? What are you working towards? That focus is key. And then putting your energy inside proper structures so you can harness that energy to create results. Get focused, get results. One of those structures that we can pour our energy through that is essential, and it's actually one of our most powerful transformational tools, is your calendar. Does your calendar currently reflect what you say is important to you? If getting healthier, getting more fit is one of your important goals, is exercise on your calendar? Do you have time booked to do grocery shopping or meal prep? Does your calendar reflect that goal? If you have a book that you've wanted to write and you find yourself procrastinating on putting pen to paper, does your calendar reflect that goal achieved? Have you blocked off time to write or to educate yourself on the writing process? When we look at our calendar, we want to make sure that it is reflecting what we say is wildly important to us. It's a structure that we get to pour our time through, our energy through, in order to create results. I have taken many courses on how to use your calendar properly, tools to really manage your time and your energy to accomplish results. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. What tools can you put around you? How can you use your calendar to really structure yourself in order to create results? So if you're finding yourself scattered, overwhelmed with too much on your plate or competing priorities, this masterclass is for you. It's going to help you really get dialed in, get focused on what's important to you, put that inside a structure of support that works to create results. So get registered for that masterclass and just look at your calendar today and ask yourself, does my calendar reflect my goals and what I say is important to me? I'm Stacey Berger, and here is to you living a life you love.